Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, orange, light orange, red, and pink. This drawing is 29 squares tall and 17 squares wide. We'll start with the black color. Skip 3 squares from left to right. In square number 4, mark 2 horizontally. Bottom left, 7 vertically. Bottom right, 2 horizontally. From this square, bottom right, 2 vertically. Bottom right, 2 vertically. Bottom right, 2 vertically. Top right 1. Bottom right, 2 vertically. Top right, 2 vertically. Top right, 2 vertically. Top right, 2 horizontally. Bottom right, 7 vertically. Bottom left, 2 horizontally. From this square, top right, 7 horizontally. From this square, bottom left, 1. Bottom left, 2 vertically. Bottom left, 6 vertically. From this square, right 1. Bottom right, 2 diagonally. Bottom right, 2 horizontally. From this square, bottom right 1. Bottom right, 2 vertically. Bottom right, 6 vertically. From this square, left 1. Bottom left 2 diagonally. Bottom left 2 horizontally. From this square, bottom right 5 horizontally. From this square, bottom right 1. Bottom left 1. Right 5 horizontally. From this square, top right 2 diagonally. From this square, up mark 2 horizontally. Top right 2 diagonally. Bottom right 1. Bottom right 2 horizontally. From this square, down 6 horizontally. From this square, bottom left 1. Top left 2 diagonally. From this square, down 2 horizontally. From this square, down 1. Bottom left 3 horizontally. Top left 2 vertically. On the right side, mark these 2 vertically. Mark 1 here. From this square, bottom left 2 vertically. Bottom right 3 horizontally. Top right 2 vertically. On the left side, mark these 2 vertically. Mark 1 here. Bottom left 1. From this square, skip 4 squares to the right and mark 1. Bottom right 1. Top right 1. From this square, bottom left 3 vertically. From this square, right 4 vertically. Top right 2 vertically. From this square, bottom right 3 vertically. From this square, left 4 vertically. Top left 2 vertically. From this square, right 3 horizontally. From this square, skip 1 square upward and mark 3 horizontally. In this row, count 2 squares from left to right and mark 1 above. From this square, down 1. From this square, down 1. From this square, down 4 vertically. Bottom left 2 diagonally. Bottom right 2 horizontally. Bottom right 2 horizontally. From this square, down 4 vertically. Bottom right 2 diagonally. Bottom left 2 horizontally. Bottom left 2 horizontally. And now let's color all the squares we marked. If you're new here, I invite you to join the Pixelator Club. You just have to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and that's it. Now let's color with the red color and paint the entire bow area. In the upper corner, you'll find the link to my other channel with hundreds of drawings tutorials. Now take the orange color and paint all the hair areas. We'll now take the pink color and mark 1 here. One here. Mark 1 here too. Also mark this one. Here 3 vertically. On the right side, mark these 2 vertically. Continue marking these 3 horizontally. Here mark 3 vertically. On the left side, mark these 2 vertically. Here 3 horizontally. Also mark this one. Now mark these 3 horizontally. And now, pixelers, let's color all the ones we marked. Let's go back to the black color and mark this square. Then we color it in. Now we continue with the light orange. Here marker 2 horizontally. Top right one. From this square, right one. Bottom right 2 horizontally. Let's mark the edge of the pink areas so we don't go over them while painting. And now let's color all these parts of our deer blossom. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Thank you so much Pixelers for being here for another video, sending you a giant hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!